Welcome to PlayOwnAi. Exploring, is Python king still of AI or about to be replaced? Biggest debates.
Python king still of AI or about to replaced? Opening statement: Python long reigns supreme in realm of artificial intelligence due to its simplicity, readability, and plethora of libraries tailored for AI development. However, emerging technologies and programming languages swiftly gaining traction, raising question: Python's dominance challenged? I contend that while Python remains vital player, it on verge of replaced by more specialized and efficient alternatives. Argument 1: Rise of compiled languages. Recent trends indicate shift towards compiled languages, such as Julia and Rust, which designed for high-performance computing. Unlike Python, which interpreted language, these compiled languages boast speed and efficiency that crucial for AI applications involving large datasets and complex computations. For instance, Julia's ability to call C and Fortran libraries natively boosts its performance, making it strong contender in fields like machine learning and data analysis, where execution time paramount. Argument 2: Specialized frameworks and tools. AI landscape becoming increasingly competitive, with frameworks and tools emerging that prioritize speed and efficiency over Python's user-friendliness. For example, TensorFlow and PyTorch, while built to work with Python, seen rise of bindings and interfaces in languages such as Rust that enhance performance. Additionally, Google's innovative TensorFlow.js allows developers to utilize JavaScript for AI, making it more accessible to web developers and strong alternative as AI applications continue to move towards cloud environments. Argument 3: Community and ecosystem evolution. While Python mature ecosystem with robust community, newer languages rapidly building their ecosystems to support AI development. For instance, languages like Go adopted for their concurrency features and efficient performance in distributed systems, essential aspect of AI applications in real-time scenarios. As communities grow around these languages and their applications in AI advance, developers gravitate towards more modern solutions that offer enhanced capabilities and performance. In conclusion, while Python remains powerful and convenient tool for AI development, its reign increasingly contested by compiled languages and specialized frameworks that offer better performance, versatility, and scalability. As AI field continues to evolve, it's crucial for developers and organizations to stay ahead of curve, potentially paving way for new language to take Python's crown. Future of AI programming very well in hands of these emerging technologies.
Python king still of AI or about to replaced? Opening statement: Python continues to dominate language in artificial intelligence due to its extensive libraries, ease of use, and robust community support. Rather than replaced, Python's adaptability and development of new, powerful libraries ensure its ongoing supremacy. I firmly believe that Python remains language of choice for AI development and continue its reign for foreseeable future. Counter-argument 1: Unmatched library ecosystem. Python boasts unparalleled ecosystem of libraries and frameworks specifically tailored for AI and machine learning, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. These libraries not only well-maintained but also deeply integrated into industry. Sheer volume of available resources means that Python developers efficiently implement complex algorithms without having to write extensive code from scratch. This huge advantage emphasizes that Python's library support key reason it retains its throne in AI development. Counterargument 2: Strong community and continued development. Strength of Python lies in its massive and active community, which continuously contributes to language's growth. This community-driven approach leads to frequent updates, improvements, and introduction of new libraries that keep Python at cutting edge of AI technology. For instance, rapid adoption of Python for educational purposes ensures new generations of developers entering field with Python as their primary language, thereby reinforcing its dominance and relevance in AI. Counterargument 3: Flexibility and ease of learning. Python's flexibility and ease of learning make it preferred language for diverse set of developers, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Its straightforward syntax allows new programmers to grasp complex concepts in AI without unnecessary overhead that comes with more complicated languages. This accessibility ensures broad base of support and talent for Python in AI community, making it difficult for emerging languages to displace it as go-to language for AI projects. In summary, Python not on verge of replaced but rather continues to evolve and adapt to ever-changing landscape of artificial intelligence. Its comprehensive library ecosystem, strong community engagement, and user-friendly nature solidify its position as leading language in AI development. Rather than challenging Python's supremacy, new and emerging technologies only reinforce its significance and longevity in field. Python remains undisputed king of AI, and there are no signs that this change anytime soon.
Python king still of AI or about to replaced. Summary of proposition argues that while Python long leading language in AI due to its simplicity and extensive libraries, its supremacy threatened by rise of compiled languages like Julia and Rust, which offer superior performance. Additionally, emergence of specialized frameworks and tools in other languages suggests shift towards more efficient alternatives, while evolution of programming communities around these languages attract developers away from Python. Summary of opposition asserts that Python remains dominant in AI field because of its vast library ecosystem, strong community support, and user-friendliness. They contend that Python's adaptability and continuous development keep it relevant, asserting that emerging languages and tools only serve to reinforce Python's position rather than replace it. Ease of learning and flexibility of Python ensures that it remains primary choice for AI developers across experience levels. Analysis: both sides present compelling arguments regarding Python's status in AI landscape. Proposition effectively highlights limitations of Python's interpreted nature and potential advantages of compiled languages for performance-critical applications. Conversely, opposition emphasizes Python's unparalleled library support and robust community, which continue to strengthen its foundation in AI development. Debate reveals tension between emerging technologies that prioritize performance and Python's proven utility and accessibility for broad audience. In concluding this debate, I assess that while rise of new and efficient programming languages presents valid concerns regarding Python's future in AI, language's established ecosystem and continued community engagement provide strong defense against displacement. It's evident that Python continues to adapt and thrive in current AI landscape. Therefore, I determine that Python remains reigning king of AI for now, but ongoing developments in technology warrant close observation for potential shifts in dominance.